Similar to review in a company's financial reports, a fundamental analysis plays a critical role in identifying stocks that has potential for growth. When in stocks, the little fundamentals you can use are endless. The key to this is to keep it simple, but effective as possible. Over the years, I've found there are 4 main fundamentals that works regardless of what strategy I'm applying. I'd always include these 4 in my process, and if needed, add a few other strategies on top depending on the results I'm looking for. These 4 fundamental traits I'm going to share with you today are designed to reduce risk and to provide a return on your investments. Let's dive in. Number 1. Choosing a large cap company. How much risk are you willing to take? Small caps can provide high returns, but as we discussed in the previous video, small cap companies are still trying to find their feet in the market and can be vulnerable. If this is your first time trading or invest in, it may be ideal to invest in large caps first. No, to ensure there was a year-on-year growth over 3 to 5 year period, had the sales increased over time, has the assets increased over time? Has the liabilities and debts gone up or down? You need to make sure they have more money than debts. And the EPS is consistently growing over the years. No free institutional ownership. Ensure that over 70% of the shares out there are owned by institutions. Institutions are companies that control lots of money, so people that control mutual funds, pension funds, insurance companies, and banks, etc., that invest on people's behalf. If they are invested in the company that you're looking into, is high potential that this company can grow quite quickly. Number 4. Ensure the average volume of stocks traded each day is over 200,000, anything lower than 200,000. You could find it difficult to find someone to buy or sell your stocks to. The higher the volume, the better. This means there was lots of people out there who are willing to buy or sell your stocks. So if you wanted to sell your stocks at a later date, it wouldn't be difficult at all because someone out there will be willing to buy from you. You may be thinking this is good information, but how and where can I find this? How long would it take me? Well, if that's what you're thinking, not to worry. There are lots of free tools out there that would do the hard work for you. One of the tools I use is FEN. This is a free stock screen at all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also press the bell icon for future updates. See you in a new video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.